Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris Hartman. I am a CNC enthusiast, somewhat of a beginner, and here is my CNC journey. I'm back in the shop or back in my garage after the first couple of weeks of school, and what I'm doing is I'm messing around with pieces that will interlock together, okay? So what I'm making is actually a cell phone charging station for my students so that I can put 20 cell phones in a wall-mounted cabinet. And to do this, there is an interlocker app on Easel, but I couldn't use that because the interlocker app will only interlock 2 items. Okay, so if we just had one simple item that went together like this, okay, we could do that. But in my case, I wanted more slots, so that I used the Replicator app. So I designed my pieces, and then I made one slot like this, and then I used the Replicator app, and it duplicated that many slots on this piece. And I'm just starting to put this together, and I wouldn't have used MDF, but I had it laying around. So here we go, and this is what I'm making. Let's go into Easel and figure this out. First, we're going to show you the Interlocker app, and to do this, we need 2 pieces that are identical. It doesn't have to be identical, but we're going to highlight these 2 pieces, and we're going to go to the apps. We're going to find the Interlocker app. Now these 2 pieces have to be selected before we get there. And we're going to find this Interlocker app, and then it's going to ask us where we want it to interlock. And for this, it's going to be right in the middle of this star, and I'm going to hit OK. There we go. Those 2 pieces are going to fit together quite nicely. Okay, now next, what if we want to interlock more than one item? So we're going to use the Replicator app for this. So first I'm going to set up a board, and I want it to be able to cut around the board. And then I'm going to make another slot that I want cut out of this board. So I'm going to make another square, and then I'm going to make it the depth of my piece, and it's going to go halfway into my board. So now I have the notch, and I have a starting point to where I want to put it. Okay, now I have this piece selected, and I'm going to go back to the apps, and I'm going to find the Replicator app, and it has the smiley faces. And when we open that up, it's going to give us options that we have rows and columns. For this example, all I need are the rows. And then it's also going to ask how many I want and how far apart they can be spaced. And when I hit enter, there they are, perfectly spaced apart. Now there's an easier way to do it as well. So we could also highlight our piece, right click, and we can hit replicate. And then we have the same options, but now we have 2 options that are pretty handy. So from the center or from the edges, which I like that option just for variety. And that is how we use both of those 2 apps to design our piece. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm really enjoying all the comments, the very good advice that people are giving me, and the motivation to keep going with this journey. Thank you so much. Have a great week.